Hi there, I'm Alex Cunningham, and I'll walk you through this Notion tutorial step by step. Let's jump right in.
Welcome. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to create an interactive quiz in Notion using a free professional template. If you've ever wanted to make fun, engaging quizzes for yourself, your friends, or your team, this is the perfect way to do it. And by the time we're done, you'll have your quiz looking polished, functional, and totally personalized. Plus, I'll hook you up with a template that makes the whole process quick and easy. Let's dive right in. First things first, we're going to save a ton of time and get that sleek expert vibe by starting with a free interactive quiz template. Templates are seriously underrated. They give you a solid foundation so you're not reinventing the wheel, and they're designed to look professional right out of the gate. So open Notion and look up to the very top left corner. You'll see a little drop-down arrow. Click it. This is your gateway to more options and a whole world of Notion features. From here, we want to select templates. Sometimes new users miss this step, but it's what really opens up your creative possibilities. In the template library, you'll find tons of ready-to-use formats, but today, we're going to use the search bar. Just type in interactive quiz, and you'll see a selection of templates appear. Take your time browsing. Each template has its own style and layout, so peek through a couple and find one that matches the vibe you're going for. Some have colorful headers, others might focus more on clean lines or minimal design. It's like choosing the perfect outfit for your quiz. Once you find a template that jumps out at you, simply click on it and then hit the Add button. At this stage, Notion will copy the template straight into your workspace, so don't worry about overwriting anything. Your original pages are safe. If you're working on a team or collaborating with others, now is a great time to share the page, but you can always keep it private if you want to tinker a bit first. Now comes the real fun, customization. In the template, you'll see placeholder questions, sample images, and maybe even a leaderboard for scores. This is where you start making it yours. Click into each field and add your credentials. So maybe your name as the quiz creator, a custom thumbnail image, or an intro text that welcomes people to the quiz. You can swap out demo questions for your own, adjust any answer choices, and play around with the color scheme and icons. If you want your quiz to have a theme like movie trivia or language learning, go ahead and incorporate those ideas. Notion's drag and drop feature lets you move questions around, add new sections, or even embed videos if you're feeling creative. Take your time with the details. It might take a few moments to get it looking just right. Remember, personalization makes your quiz more inviting and memorable. You can add your own creative touches, like custom dividers, reaction emojis for correct answers, or even a little thank you note at the end for quiz takers. If you're new to Notion, don't worry if it feels a bit overwhelming at first. Just explore and experiment. You really can't break anything, and that's all there is to it. By using a free interactive quiz template in Notion, you're able to create an engaging, customized quiz in just a few simple steps. Now you've got a fully functional quiz you can share, reuse, or keep tweaking as you like. If this walkthrough was helpful, make sure to tap that like button. If you have any questions about templates, quiz ideas, or Notion itself, drop them in the comments. I'm always here to help. And don't forget to subscribe so you'll always be the first to know about new tutorials and tips. Thanks for watching, and happy quizzing!